Hello, sweeties. We are going to do our spelling homework together today so that you don't need any help from mom and dad. So I want you to find page 69 in your spelling packet. Go find page 69, and at the top it will say words with long A, A-I and A-Y. Now let's remember that the A-I and the A-Y both say A. So let's read these words together. Mail, rain, chain, way, play, day, cute, use, great, know. Wonderful job. Now you'll notice that some of those words did not have long A in them, and we'll learn about those in a little bit. Now what you're going to do is in this spot, you're going to write all the words that have 3 letters. In this spot, you're going to write all the words that have 4 letters. And down here, you will write all the words that have 5 letters. I want you to stop my video and see if you can write all of those words with very careful handwriting. And when you're ready, you'll come back to me and we'll check it. How did you do? I've started the 3 letters, the 4 letters, and now we'll do the 5 letters together. So go ahead and check your work, pause if you need to fix, and let's do the 5 letters together. So let's see. I see in here the word chain, chain, and I see the word great. And great is a great word because it also has a blend, gr, and chain has a ch. That's probably why they have 5 letters. They have extra things in there. Great job. Pause the video if you need to check and fix your work. If not, we're headed to the next page. All right. On the next page, what you're going to use are these clues to write your spelling words. So this one says, starts like call and sounds like flute. So what you're looking for is a word that starts with k but rhymes with flute. K, oot. Ah, cute. Wonderful. So now we can write that word right here. Cute. That's a magic E word. Excellent. Here's the next one. Starts like w and sounds like say. W. A. See if you can do that one by yourself. Pause it if you need to and come back when you're ready. Number 3, starts like dog, d, and sounds like say, d, a. What could that one be? See if you can do it by yourself. Number 4, starts like chin, ch, and sounds like mane, ain, ch, ain. Which one could that be? And last one starts like make and sounds like ale. Ale. All right. Go ahead and pause the video. Do all of your writing. If you need help, you'll come back to me and we'll check it together. How did you do? Did you use very careful handwriting? I hope you did. Here are your answers. Cute, way, day, chain, and mail. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Stop my video and see if you can fix it. And we're moving on. All right, let's get rid of these guys and we'll go on to our next page. Now we need to change these words. So what you're going to do, if you get stuck and you're not sure how to spell a word, you need to go back up here, and these words on the page before are here to help you. So I'll give you one example and you'll do the rest by yourself. We can't play if it rains. So the mistake that this student made is they thought that play made the long A sound by using a magic E. But that is actually incorrect. Play makes a magic E because it has an AY at the end. And you can check that if you go all the way back up here and find the word play. Okay? So I'm not going to give you these answers because they're up at the page before. You can do that one all by yourself. Stop the video and come back to me when you're ready. All right, all ready for the next page? Same thing with this one. You need to choose which one is correct. way or way with an AI. If you're not sure and you don't remember, go all the way back up here and check for the word way. Okay? So you can use this box. This is a very important box that you'll use to do your homework. So here was our example. I know that this one is the correct way because I've written it several times. So now I'm going to write it here, way. Excellent. And you'll do the same for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. You'll do the same thing, except for you're going to just circle. Those are those long words. You're just going to circle those words. All right, let's get headed to the next page. Now we're working with our long E. That's our E, EE, or EA. The first thing you're going to do is look for these words in your word search. You're going to stop the video. I'm going to do the word search too. And when you're ready, I will show you the answers just in case you couldn't find one by yourself. But make sure that you do it by yourself first so that you can do your best learning. All right, did you find all your words? When I get really stuck, the strategy that I use is I look for the first letter and I look, and every time I see that letter, I check and see if that's the word. I also like to cross out the words as I go, and that helps me to stay on track. Stop the video if you need help finding a word. If not, we are moving on. Lightning fast. All right, we are going to write the words that have the long E sound. So I want you to listen to me say these words and hear, does that word have the sound E in it? Let's listen to this one. Me. Does that have an E? Yes, it does. So we're going to write it right here. Me. Great. What about this word? We. I also hear an E in that word. E. Wonderful. How about this word? Feed. Do you hear a long E in that word? I do too. Eed. But this word, keep. I hear it in that word too. Wow, 4 in a row. Keep. How about the word seat? Yep, I hear it too. E-E-E, seat. And the word beak? Yes, I hear that in that word as well. Now let's listen to these words just in case. Main. That has a long A. A. Day also has a long A. Friends. Friends is a short E. And new. That sounds different, like ew at the end. We haven't learned about those vowels yet, but we will soon. Go ahead and make sure that you have your answers correct. The next thing I want you to do is write the words that have the long A sound. And we just practiced those, so we know that it is main. We hear that A. And day. We see that AI and AY, and we just learned about those. We just practiced those. All right, stop the video and get all of that written if you need to. If not, I'm going to head to the bottom of the page where we are going to write the words that do not have the long A or the long E sound. And we know that these last two words sounded different. Friends and new, ooh. So we're going to write those words here. Friends and new. Wonderful work. All right, go ahead and stop the video, get that written down, and we're moving on to the next page. All right, the directions say, circle the spelling word that is spelled correctly, then write the word. We did this last time. You're going to choose which one of these is correct. And remember, these words are there to help you. And you can do this one all by yourself. So go ahead and stop my video and do this whole page. And when you're ready, come back to me. Okay, the next directions say, write the word that completes the sentence. I'll read the sentence for you. I don't want to give it back. I want to it. What word could that be? We're looking up here. I don't want to give it back. I want to main it. No, that doesn't sound right. I don't want to give it back. I want to friends it. No, that doesn't sound right. I don't want to give it back. I want to keep it. That does sound right. So I'm going to write the word K-E-E-P, keep, right here. K-E-E-P. Go ahead and write that. Pause the video and come back to me when you're ready. All right, next page. The directions say put an X on the word that is spelled wrong in each row. Then write it correctly. So this is the same thing we've been doing. You need to check which one of these words is the word that is spelled incorrectly. That means not correctly. So let's see. Flip, that's correct. Feed. How is feed spelled up here? Oh, up here it's spelled with 2 E's. So I need to change that. I'm going to write it right here, F-E-E-D, not F-E-A-D. Okay, number 2, seat. Oh, seat up here is spelled like this, S-E-A-T. So I'm going to write it here, S-E-A-T. Wonderful. Now we're going to keep going, and we're looking just for the words that are up in this box. So I know funny is not in that box, flag is not in that box. Oh, friends is up here, and it's up here, and it has a sneaky I in it, so I'm going to fix that. Friends. Great. Okay, let's see. Mail. I remember mail from the long A page. Make and me. Oh, I know me is up here, and it's spelled M-E, so I'm going to fix that. Let's see. Oh, this is a yuckily spelled word. Look how silly that looks. New. They tried to make it into a magic E word. Did you see that? New. But I know that up here it's spelled K-N-E-W, so I'm going to fix that. K-N-E-W. All right. Black, beak. Oh, I remember that beak is up here. B-E-A-K. It's not an E-E word. It's an E-A word. All right. That looks silly. And I know that we up here is W-E. So I'm going to fix that. And last one, woke, know, and keep. Which one of those words is up here? Let's see. Oh, the word keep is up in our square. K-E-E-P. K-E-E-P. So we're going to put that there. Wonderful job. Stop the video if you need to write. You're always welcome to stop and start so that you can work at your own rhythm. So go ahead and stop. You can copy, and I'm going to go on to the next page. Oh, and guess what? We are all finished. Let's see. How far does Cream ask you to go? 76. Yep, you're all done. We don't need to do that tricky Y at the end. We'll do that a different day. You are all done. You did it. Give yourself a big high five. Show Mom and Dad your work, and you have a little bit more homework to do. I'll see you soon.